This isn't going to be a long video. I haven't had a lot of time recently, what with work, so I've done no more welding, but I'm trying to work out what I need to do in order to end up with a decent pair of front seats. These two are the originals out of the car. That's the passenger seat, and at first glance it looks pretty good, but some total dickhead has taken the fag lighter and melted holes in it, which is really annoying. I've tried picking these apart with a razor blade, but it's like melted and stuck together. There's another one there, and it's a shame because that seat was actually quite nice. There was, I think, yeah, a few more like burns here, but not really noticeable. And what you'll notice is the colour of that is really bright blue, whereas the driver's seat, not only has the fabric basically rotted, but it's quite faded, which is a shame. I picked up these two seats from, they actually came down from Scotland. Somebody on Facebook found an SD1 in a breaker's yard. They happened to have the right colour interior trim, so I snapped them up. I think I paid 50 quid for the pair, and I knew they were crap, but what they did have was, I thought, salvageable material that I could use to repair this. Unfortunately, they are really faded. So when you actually put that seat next to that one in the car together, it'll probably be quite noticeable just how faded they are. Sadly, this base, which was really the reason I bought it, to replace that one, it's got a big burn here, and it's just very faded. This one, it's in shocking condition. Again, the fabric has faded and rotted. It just turns to dust. It's just so old. The backrest is actually pretty good on that one. There's no fag burns, and it's just the stitching that's rotted. The fabric's okay. It's just the actual the twine they use to hold the seats together that's gone. So my current thinking is to use that seat, but take the fabric cover off, cut it in the middle here, and unstitch that section, cut it out of that one or that one, and then put it back in. So then that will make one pretty damn good seat. And then, despite the fading, I'm going to use that seat base with that backrest, and I'll either have to repair that hole, or what I can do is take some of the fabric off the back, which is less faded, off of one of the seat backrests, maybe that one, and use it to rebuild the base. So this is not going to be done right now, but this is just more of me again thinking about options. The rear seats are actually really nice, but I might be able to pinch some additional fabric from the armrest in the centre of the rear backrest to make other panels that I need for the front seats, because that stuff will be bright blue because it never gets any sun, so it won't have faded.